Hey man, say man. Nigga tried to hit me with a water bottle. So fucking shit. You know, I had to get his ass back real quick, you know. Where'd all that? What's that? Yeah, got his ass. Look at that car. Look at that car, decorated. Oh, bro. Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's Kai, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So, hey, look, I ain't gonna lie to you. So, basically, like, my boy, like, he keep trying me, bro. Like, he don't know I got something on my sleeve. You know what I'm saying? So, if y'all don't know, in the recent video, like, I pulled up to his crib and I wet him up, you know what I'm saying, with the water gun, you feel me? So, but this time I'm gonna be doing something different. But he's still gonna get wet up, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, though, so basically, if you haven't go watch that video, I put up to his crib and I wet him up. It's gonna be the same person. I'm pranking the same person. But, yeah, though, so basically, you know what I'm saying, I just called them, like, before I turned the camera on and stuff like that. And, we finna meet at the car wash, but look, he don't know we going through the car wash. But like I'ma play that role, like, so basically, like, I'm finna go to the car wash, and I told him I'ma vacuum my car out first. Woo am. But look, this the thing though. So like, we gonna go through the car wash, right? I've been seeing these pranks go crazy, like, so why not try it on him? You know what I'm saying? Cause he got a mouth on him and he think he's slick. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, he did get me back. He got something on his channel coming soon. But as of right now, it's about me and what I gotta do to him. You feel me? As a prank. But yeah, though, so, you know what I'm saying? We finna go there. We finna go to the car wash. And like, once I get to the car wash, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'ma roll the window down. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'ma roll my window down. Like, on his side though. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be in the driver's side. Of course he gonna be in the passenger. So I'm gonna roll my window down, like, on his side. But yeah, though, and I'ma set the camera up, you know what I'm saying? And everything like that. But yeah, I'ma tell him, like, we just doing like a normal vlog, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, though, y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know where this man at, but yeah, we just vacuumed him out the car, you know what I'm saying? Should be here any minute though. So as soon as he pull up, I'm gonna tell him, I'm be like, we gonna go to the car wash, and then that's when I'm gonna set the phone up. But he should be here a couple minutes, so he supposed to be meeting me here. And yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just try to set the phone up, like, in my car somewhere. Dude, look at my, you wanna decorate my shit, right? So we finna go in here and clean this shit up, right? You wanna decorate my shit? So come on, we finna go in here. We finna get this car. Hey, don't make me decorate it again, man. Alright, man, alright. Y'all see, bro, from last time, bro, like, shit. Well, I'm into the clip in the video. Hey, I'm messing him up. Bro, I'm into the clip in the video. I ain't gonna lie, he got my shit with the spray shit. But look though, we finna go in the car wash, you know what I'm saying? We finna clean that shit up from the last time, you feel me? I ain't did it ever since. But yeah, though, over it, boy. I got bird poop on my shit. All that, man. Yeah, I was using that one, boy. Yeah, though, shit. I already got your mind, though. So, after he done, shit, we finna go through this car wash. I'm finna prank his ass. Look, I'm finna roll down the window. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna roll down the window and everything like that. I know it's hot outside. Hopefully my car, you know what I'm saying, don't get too hot. So I'm finna turn the AC on and let my phone cool down. But yeah, though, shit, we finna go through this car wash, you know, and all that. No Kizzy out. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, gang. One before, so
You lying.
yeah, that's our release video. I ain't post yet, but you know, but yeah, though, anyways, we at the car wash. Yeah, though, we finna go in this car wash because he decorated my shit and you paid for it. Who? Yeah, you. What you talking about? You wanna decorate my shit so bad? You paid for it. You paid for it. All right. All right. Chill, I'm dead. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Yeah, baby, roll it up, nigga. I'm dead. Yeah, bro. Chill. Bro, all that shit, what was all that? God, bro. Chill, Sonny. Alright, I'm gonna throw your phone out. Chill, bro. Damn. Let go. Yeah. Wait on part two. Wait on part two, boy. What up, part two? Chill, bro. What up, part two? Chill. Ain't even no more water, bro. Bro, this nigga crazy as hell. Chill, nigga, down. Whoa. This nigga crazy as fuck. Oh, your ass. Alright, bet. Bet. I'm on that, folks. I'm on that, folks. Bro. Yeah, they still close, nigga. Yeah. Alright, bet. Yeah. Hey, remember that. Remember that. I don't remember that. Let's get back, nigga. We even now. Woo. W break, man. Man, I'm on that, boy. W break. Yeah, boy. Yeah, W break, man. W Clyde in the comments, man. He thought he was slick. Yeah. Yeah, no. You wanna spray my car, nigga? Yeah.